Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sarah van Grennen, aka Mr. VG, and this is now my final video in the series of Grade 9 Financial Mathematics, where we are going to look at the more difficult exchange rate problems you can come across. First of all, we looked at how foreign exchange works in a very simplistic way in our previous video, and we're going to use this table again to answer the next questions coming up. We practiced a very basic sum where we exchanged dollars or rands for dollars. But now what I would like you to do is answer this question, that if 1 euro is worth 19 Rand 92, how much would 2,000 Rand be worth? Please go for it, ladies and gentlemen. Try it yourself and then you look at the rest of the video. So what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm going to start off with setting up my ratios. So 1 euro is 19 Rand 92. And let's just write it, instead of equals, let's write it in ratio form. So what I'm going to do is place the x at the top. And I love to do that, well, simply because it is so much easier. So if I place the x at the top, I've got x over 1. And that is equal to 2,000 over 19,92. The beautiful thing is, on the left-hand side, I've got x over 1. And on the right-hand side, if I calculate that, it means that 2,000 Rand is worth 100,40 euros. Simple and as easy as that. Again, if you use your intuition and your reasoning and you just say 20 or 2,000 divided by 19,92, perfect. But our reasoning doesn't always stand alone when it comes to a sum like this. How many dollars is 200 Swiss francs worth? So first of all, let's look at the information that was given. Remember, $1 is 18 Rand 56, and 1 Swiss franc is equal to 19,98 Rand. What is my thinking process? Well, my thinking process is that I know I can convert Swiss francs into rands and take those rands and convert them to US dollars. So that is going to be the thought process in solving this sum. So let's start with converting the Swiss franc into dollars, or to rands, I mean. So 1 Swiss franc is 19 Rand 98. Let's just write it again, not as an equal, but as a ratio. So 200 Swiss francs is equal to X Rand. Placing the X at the top, X over 98 is equal to 200 over 1. Remember, I set up my fractions like that. Now I can times both sides by the 19,98, which gives me that the 200 Swiss francs is 3,996 Rand. So this means I've done that part there. Okay? But I haven't done this part here where I'm converting the Rand to US dollars. So my next question is then, if $1 is equal to 18 Rand 56, how many dollars would I get for 3,996? So let me show you, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful trick that works with these kind of ratios, okay? And it kind of looks like one of those AIDS ribbons. You know, the ones that you wear during breast cancer month or during cancer month. The ribbon goes like that. So it goes from the 3,996 up through the 1 around and down through the 18 Rand 56 down to the X. So that ribbon works wonderful when it comes to ratios. So what does the ribbon mean? First of all, when I go up, I multiply. And then when I go down, I divide. So in other words, I'm going to take the 3996 and I am going to multiply it by 1 and divide it by 18,56. And that, ladies and gentlemen, gives me the X value. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Which means that X is 215 Rand and 30 cents. And does it work with all ratios? And the beautiful question is, yes, it works with all ratios. Okay? I hope that you enjoyed this video and this lovely trick that I showed you with multiplying up, dividing when you start going down, and then you get your answer. This is Mr. VG signing out. Thank you for gracing me with your time. I hope that you learned so much and that you are able to replicate this in the exams. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Keep well.